Hi guys, my name is Deekshita and welcome to my channel. If you are seeing this face for the very first time, then please make sure that you subscribe. So today I'm back with a new video and I think this is like a really different video for this channel. I've done nothing like this so far, and tomorrow, which is 9th June, is my birthday and I wanted to give myself like a spa day today. I just basically wanted to pamper myself because obviously we can't go out, and I wanted to do something very special for me. This video I'm showing you but all I like to do when I want to pamper myself, and I try to have these kind of days every like once a month, and I would recommend you also to pamper yourself once a month at least, because इतना तो खुद के लिए करना बनता है. So yeah, that's just it. You'll get to see what all I do. I will probably do like a mani pedi, then there'll be hair masking, face masking and all the shebang. So it's gonna be a fun video, and yeah, do follow this routine sometime and tell me whether you liked it or not in the comment section, or you can DM me in my Instagram. And yeah, that's it. Now without wasting more of your time, let's just get started. Hi guys, so first we'll start with our hands and our feet. So I'll give myself like a mini mani-pedi at home, and this is gonna be super simple. It's been so long since I've done like a pedicure or a manicure, so I really need this. So first we'll start by removing our nail paint from all our fingernails,
and then I'll quickly cut and file all my nails.
Now next I'll take a bucket half full of water, so lukewarm rakna, and I'll add some bath salts and a shampoo in it, and I'll soak my feet in this water for about 10 to 15 minutes so that it gets soft or easily dead skin वगैरह निकल जाए. Then I'll take a pumic stone like this and I'll remove all the dead skin. Done with our feet, and I'll quickly moisturize them. And now we move on to our hands. For my hands, I'll again start clipping off my nails क्योंकि काफी बड़े हो गए थे, as I said before, and I'll file them. I'm very specific about the shape of my nails. I like it a certain way only. और उनको फाइल करने में I take my sweet time and I do it आराम से. And yeah, now I've taken again the same pumic stone. I've wet my hands and I'm again scrubbing it a little because I like to scrub like remove dead skin from my palms too. So I'm doing this, and we're done with both our hands and our feet. Now if you want to apply a nail paint, you can do it right now, but I'll save this step for later. Now we move on to the second step, which is hair removal. So I like to use a razor and I like to use the process of shaving to remove my hair. I don't wax, so I can very easily do this step. So before waxing, it's very important to exfoliate, and I never shave without exfoliating first. So here I'm taking this coffee scrub and I'm exfoliating my legs, as you can see, and then I'll take a razor. This is the razor that I normally like to use. It's pretty good, and there's some soap strips on it too. You can directly shave with this because इसी में soap लगा हुआ है, so that's what I'm doing here. I like to shave it and go against the like the growth of the hair, and yeah, that's basically how you shave your body hair. Now that we're done with our body hair removal, we move on to our face, and again for removing my facial hair, I like to use a razor only. I've done an entire video explaining how I do it and busting all the myths and everything, so you can check it out. I'll link it somewhere here. So again, before starting shaving your face, you have to first scrub it or exfoliate it. I like to use this exfoliator, and I'll just quickly take some of it and apply it all over my face. Just wet your hands a little and go in your skin and circular motion में scrub it. Make sure you're not doing it very roughly. हमें micro tears नहीं चाहिए अपनी skin में. So just like very lightly scrub your skin. Take your time, but yeah, do it very lightly. So I've come a little closer to the camera so that you can see how my skin looks after exfoliating. And I think like it's already looking so good, and exfoliating has really done its work. And my skin feels so damn soft. And now I'll quickly remove my hair. Now I like to use this razor from Tinkle, and I won't like give you a demo of how to do it because I've already done the entire video on it, so you can check it out. And yes, I'll just quickly remove my hair now. So I've shaved my hair and it feels so soft. Like if you've ever shaved your hair, then you know what I'm talking about. This feeling, it's the best. Plus, I don't know if you've already seen my Nykaa haul. If you haven't, then I'll link it here. You should watch it. I got some amazing products there. So I have upgraded like my entire like skincare. So yeah, if you want to know about my skincare regime, then stay tuned, subscribe to my channel because it will come by the end of this month. So yeah. So now the next step is face mask, and I love masking. I love face mask, sheet mask, everything. So this is one of my favorite steps, and I like to mask my face like once or twice a week at least, and I'll recommend you to do that too. So you can make a mask yourself at home, or you can buy one from market, जो भी आपका मन करे. So today I'm gonna apply this Upton face mask from Mamaearth. ये अच्छा है, मुझे ये अच्छा लगता है. But if you don't have this, or if you want to make one yourself at home, so I've got this video जिसमें मैंने आपको 3 DIY face mask दिखाए हैं, जिसमें कि पहला एक Upton है. So I'll highly recommend you to check out that video because I love those 3 face masks and they are actually very good for your skin. और Upton face mask तो you know कि काफ़ी अच्छा होता है. So if you don't want to buy one right now, or if you don't have one, you can very easily go to that video and check out the first mask or any of those 3. तीनों मेरे favorites हैं, but पहला वाला is at Upton only. So आप उसको भी बना के कर सकते हो, but right now मेरे पास ये available था, so I'm putting this on. So I'll just take a brush like this, and I'll just take some of the product in a brush and apply it all over my face. Make sure कि under eye वाले area में you're not applying a mask because यहाँ पे नहीं apply किया जाता है. It's very thin skin और ये उसको टक करके और डैमेज कर देगा. सो नो फेस मास्क इन योर अंडर आई एरिया. उसके अलावा अप्लाई इट ऑल ओवर योर फेस.
Now I'll keep this on my face for about 10 to 15 minutes, and while this is drying, I'm obviously watching my favorite show, which is Friends on Netflix, and having the time of my life.
So we are done with our face. I've scrubbed it, I've masked it, and typically after this I would do my skincare routine, but I don't want to include that in this video, so I'll just skipping that. I'll do it later. And now we move on to our hair because obviously that's very important. So this is the last step. We'll take care of our hair. Now if you want, you can oil it, but today I'm going to apply a hair mask. This is a DIY hair mask, and here I'm showing you how I made it. So I took a banana and made its puree in a mixer, और मैंने वही इस बोल में ली हुई है. This is 1 banana, and then I added 2 spoons of curd in it. उसके बाद मैंने 1 spoon honey और 2 spoon coconut oil ऐड किया है. So this is the final hair mask, and I'm using this for the first time. I have no idea how this works, but I have heard that this is really good for, you know, like dry hair, you know, like to give it more shine and everything. And after coloring my hair, I think my hair is getting a little drier, so I'm taking this hair mask and I'll apply it all over my hair. I'll take a comb like this and I'll comb my hair all over with it just to get rid of any knots or tangles. So I've applied the hair mask and I've kept it in a bun, and I think I'll keep it for about 20 to 30 minutes and then I'll wash it off and show you the result. So I just washed the mask off और मैंने पूरा hair wash वगैरह कर लिया है. I use my normal shampoo conditioner और उसके बाद मैंने एक serum लगाया as I usually do. Now I think my hair feels very soft and silky और the shine is kind of back, so I really like that mask. I think उसके results अच्छे हैं. And if you want to try it, go ahead, you can try it for yourself. And I think with time, if I use it continuously, it will give me better results. So yeah, I liked it. And with this, we come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you have any video requests, especially for styling videos, then do leave it in the comment section. और मुझे ये भी ज़रूर बताना if you want me to create more videos like this, or leave something as simple as a hi and I'll reply to it because I love chatting with you guys. So yeah, if you liked it, then give it a big thumbs up, and please do not leave without subscribing to this channel. Also, I'd like to take a moment and thank everyone who's been subscribing to my channel lately. We've been having this gradual growth and I'm really liking it, and that's motivating me to create more content. So yes, please click on this red button and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, that's it. Now I'll see you next time. Until then, keep smiling. Bye.